Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen amma ba'du fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we are going to start the lesson number 17, and lesson number 17 name is Maddat. What is Maddat and what's the meaning of Maddat? Question number 1 is what's mean of Mad and what's we read? So the answer is the meaning of mud is to stretch. And next question is how many reasons of mud? So there are two reasons of mud. Okay, there are two reasons of mud. First one is hamza, and second is sukoon like jazm. These are two reasons for mud. Next question is how many types of mud? There are 6 types of mud. First one is madde muttasil, and second is madde munfasil, and third is madde lazim. Fourth is madde leen lazim, and fifth is madde arid, and the last one is madde leen arid. So now read the definitions of all madda. And question number 1 is what is madde muttasil and how we read. If a hamza comes after letter of madda in the same word, then it will be madde muttasil like jaa. Repeat again. If a hamza comes after letter of madda in the same word, then it will be madde muttasil. Let me give an example. Like this is letter Jim alif zabar ja. There is zabar before the alif, and alif has a madda, and the next letter is hamza. It has the same word because there is not other words after it. Okay, there is madda letters, and after it hamza in the front of madda letters. So this is madde muttasil. Question number 2 is when madde munfasil will be made it. Second definitions. What is madde munfasil? If a hamza comes after a letter of madda in the next word, then definitions of madde muttasil. If a hamza comes after letter of a madda in the same word, but madde munfasil if a hamza comes after a letter of mad in the next word. But difference between madde muttasil and madde munfasil, hamza will become in the same word is called madde muttasil, and madde munfasil if a hamza comes after a letter of madda in the next word. This difference between of madde muttasil and madde munfasil. Let me give an example. This is a first word qalu, and this is a second word amanna. Qalu is a complete one word and amanna is the second word. That means there are two words in one box. Okay, qalu. Waw is madda because waw is sakin. There is hamza not in the same word in the next word. Okay, this is madda letters, and there is hamza but not in the same word in the next word. So this is called madde munfasil. Okay, come to the next definition. What is madde lazim? If a sukoon asli like jazm and tashdeed. If a sukoon asli comes after the letter of madda, then it will be madde lazim. Like this word Jim alif zabar ja. This is the first word, And next is noon tashdid. Tashdid means sukune asli. This sukune asli is top of the noon and front of the madda letters. You can say the letter madde lazim. Let me go to one example. Dalan. There is alif madda because zabar is before the alif madda and lam has a one tashdid, that's mean sukune asli. Then sukune asli will be made after the madda letters, then madde lazim will be made. So now next definition is madde leen lazim. What is madde leen lazim? What is the definition of madde leen lazim? If a sukoon asli like jazam comes after the letter of leen, then it will be madde leen lazim. Definition is same but little difference. If a sukoon asli comes after the letter of madda, then it will be madda lazim and madde leen lazim. If a sukoon asli comes after the letter of leen, it will be madde leen lazim. So how can we stretch madde lazim? We can stretch up to 3 seconds madde lazim. And the next question is, what is madde ariz? Ariz means temporary letters. If a sukoon ariz like temporary letters become sakina because of waqf comes after the letter of madda. Let me give an example like Rabbil Alameen. Okay, this word is Rabbil Alameen. Can you see this sign, circle type sign? This sign mean you need to take pause on this sign. That's mean you need to stop here. Now we are going to start the lesson number 17. Repeat after me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This word is madde muttasil. Jim alif zabar ja. Hamza zabar a. Ja. And this word is madde muttasil. So Jim ya zer ji. Hamza zabar a. Ji a. Wow lam zabar wal. Lam khada zabar la. Walla. Hamza ya zer e. Walla'i. Sin ya zer si. Hamza ta zabar at. Si at. Hamza पेश ओ. लाम खड़ा ज़बर ला. ऊला. हमज़ा ज़ेर ई, उलाई, काफ ज़बर का, उलाइका, हा ज़बर हा, दाल अलिफ ज़बर दा, हदा, हमज़ा ज़ेर ई, हदाई, कॉफ ज़बर का, हदाइका, and this word is madde muttasil, so this is qaf pesh ku, ra waw pesh ru, kuru, हमज़ा दो ज़ेर इन, कुरू इन, हमज़ा वाव ज़बर आउ, लाम ज़ेर ली, आउली, या अलिफ ज़बर या, आउलिया, हमज़ा ज़बर आ, आउलिया, these are two words. Bima is the first word and Zila is the second word. So this is called madde munfasil because hamza is a front of madda letters in the next word, so that's why it is called madde munfasil. Ba zer bi, मीम अलिफ ज़बर मा, बीमा, हमज़ा नून पेश ऑन, जा ज़ेर ज़ी, ओज़ी, लाम ज़बर ला, ज़िला, बिमा ज़िला, there are two letters, first one is qalu and second one is manna. So hamza is a front of madda letters in the next word, so it is called madde munfasil. Qaf alif zabar qa, lam waw pesh lu, qalu, हमज़ा खड़ा ज़बर आ, मीम नून ज़बर मन, आमन, नून अलिफ ज़बर ना, आमन्ना, قالوا آمنا. And next part inshallah azwajal will be uploaded tomorrow. uh, and I want to tell you that my English is not so good because I am from Pakistan, because our national language is Urdu, not English. Kindly please don't pay attention to my English language and my mistake. I try to give my best to explain all lessons in English, inshallah azwajal. Remember me in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.